You can start with as many garlic bulbs as you would like. I only need 2. So make sure you go into about 1/4 from the end when you're cutting, because if you don't go in far enough, you're not going to cut off all the ends of the garlic cloves. So I missed a few in that bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that when I cut the second bulb here, I go in a little bit deeper in from the end of the garlic bulb. And so as you can see, I succeeded, and I was able to get all of the ends of the garlic cloves cut off. It's just going to make it easier for you to scoop them out. And again, you can use as many as you want. You're going to set the oven at 375 degrees. You're going to put them in for 20 to 25 minutes. And here they're nicely roasted. Now you can put olive oil or some kind of sesame seed oil, anything you want to do as you're cooking it. I choose not to. And as you can see, they're nicely roasted. If you want a more golden brown, you can, like I said, put some oil on it. I choose not to. And all I'm doing is pulling back the skin and using a small spoon to just scoop them out like that. Now you can use a larger spoon, it's up to you. This is a child's spoon. I have sesame seed oil in a mason jar that I'm just putting it in. And again, any type of oil that you feel comfortable with. The most nutritious oils are sesame seed, olive oil. You're just gonna put them right into the bowl or the mason jar. And I'm just scooping them out. It comes out really easily, and they are tender. And even though the tip wasn't that brown, you can tell they're roasted in there. And here I'm just speeding up the process a little bit, showing you how I take them out with the spoon. It's at the back side of the spoon. You just turn the spoon down and you just kind of scoop it out. And as you can see, you don't need a baby spoon. You can use a regular spoon. This is actually a soup spoon. I'm just scooping it all out. And some of them are more tender than others, but that's okay. And then you just want to preserve it in any type of oil in a mason jar or some type of jar. And there you have it.